Hey guys, and welcome to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download Bumble on our Android device. Now let's begin. I'm simply gonna open up the Play Store right here. In case you're in an iPhone, open up the App Store. Well, as you can see, I've successfully opened up the Play Store, and at the top, there's a search icon like this, and enter Bumble in this text box. I'm simply gonna hit on enter right now. And guys, here you see is the Bumble application that we want to install. You can install it from right here if you click on this button that says install. But if you want more information regarding this application, simply click on this icon right here. Then this page will open up. You can scroll down and look at all the features provided, the reviews and everything. But for now, let's simply try to install. Right here is the install button. Let's simply click on it. Depending upon your network speed, the download speed might vary. And guys, there you go. Bumble has been successfully installed. Let's click on open. And guys, that's it. That's how you download the Bumble dating app in your mobile device. It's as easy as that. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.